We better wake up everyone else and tell them.
Yeah, go wake up everyone else.
Marianne, Jordan just came in and woke us up. She said Santa came.
Santa came?
Yeah. Will you help us wake up the other kids? Alright, let's wake up the other kids.
Okay.
Santa came.
Santa came.
Santa came.
Santa came, guys.
Santa came.
Did.
He did. Santa came. Merry
Jordan.
Christmas.
What present?
Wow, we get an open present. Santa came. Santa came. Santa came. Wake up. Santa came. Santa came. Jordan told us. She was super excited that Santa came. Santa came. Look at all those presents. Here they come. Here they come. What do you see?
A whole bunch of presents.
What? Oh, does that say Marianne? Yeah. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. There you go, puppy. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, is that fun? Yeah. Yeah.
What you see, Santa?
No, we didn't see Santa. He came in the middle of the night and dropped off goodies for you guys.
And that's it? Hi, Jordan.
Okay, who's our helper this year?
Me.
It's gotta be someone that can read, that didn't read last year.
I can.
Ammon, are you our helper this year? Are you Santa's helper? So, Mr. Helper, what we need to do is grab one of Santa's gifts for everybody. There should be one for everybody. And we know it's Santa because Santa wraps his stuff in Santa wrapping. So, if you could hand one out to everyone, that'd be awesome. Kason, not you.
I should just help her.
Not you, not this year, sweetie.
Adam's the helper this year.
Last year you helped.
Jordan! Oh, Kingston! Look at his! Look at Kingston! I got Optimus Prime.
Who is it, Jordan?
Jordan! I got
Anna?
Smells like Logan!
A baby.
This looks so fun! Again, Batman!
Wow!
The
A Batman?
Batman!
What did you get, Marianne?
He can brush his teeth.
Marianne, what'd you get?
Hello?
Marianne,
What'd you get?
Marianne, what'd you get? A pony! You've been asking for a big pony.
I'm gonna play with Flash first.
Ah, that is cool.
I'm gonna do Flash first. And
Whoa,
I'm gonna play with
let's
the
see.
Jet first. And I'm gonna play with the Jet
Whoa.
first. And
Whoa, that's
Isn't it
cool.
Oh, you can brush his
You do the hair. You can brush through the hair and do clips.
you can
And
get
it's like a mommy and a baby. Or it could be a big sister and a little sister.
it has a
That
bubble.
is so cool. I love ponies.
Oh boy. Wait, that's gotta be so good. Hey, Kisa.
Whoa, Casey, look at this big, big one.
Oh,
Whoa.
that is so big.
Yeah, you gotta be strong to lift that big present.
It's a bird.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go.
What? Daisy got the whole set now.
Whoa! Maybe I don't need to share with you. Oh, it's actually nail polish.
You can change superheroes. Wow! And let you change Superman into
Cool.
Hulk.
I can share this with Christopher.
So these
I can share this with Karen, Abby, and Maddie.
Logan or Kason, you like it?
Oh my goodness.
It's so happy.
Oh wow.
That is awesome.
It's so happy.
This gift he will love.
And then you ripped mine.
Yes, he will.
You ripped
I
mine.
love it. He will play with it a lot.
You ripped mine.
A lot he will play. That's it.
Guys, my rip.
Oh, ready, set, open!
Whoa! Brayden, you were right. Are you kidding me?
I just got bored.
Mom, look at this.
Whoa, that's awesome. You can
I
do,
got Mickey Mouse and the
you
peanut.
can mash them up.
I got Mickey.
What is it? What can you do?
I can use the force and make them hit the other guys.
Use the force?
Wow.
Force you will use.
And you can be on either team.
Whoa.
There's Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader.
That is very awesome. Awesome it is. You got Elmo's? Whoa. Wow. What'd you get, Marianne?
And the peanuts.
And I got a
Busy day. And...
I got a
Whoa. Very cool. You only got one?
I got iPad.
Big red apple. That looks like a fun book.
Aww. It only comes with the Spider-Man ones.
Yeah, but this one here got a whole bunch too.
Yeah. You can back the back.
Yeah, you want to help?
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
Only shark man.
Mania.
Only 6.
That looks
Only
like
6 guys.
I think everybody could play this. That looks fun.
fun.
the shark hopping race game.
Cool. Oh, that's Daisy. Do you like Daisy?
Ooh, And Minnie, she has a mini car. And
Daisy and Minnie, they could go shopping together in their cars.
Yeah.
Stickers. This is not mine. Oh, Dad. Guys, look it. I got these.
Oh. Let me look at it.
Whoa.
Mickey.
Do you not have any more to open?
What is
Oh, awesome! Avengers.
Whoa, Sonic the Hedgehog. Go ahead, Marian.
cool?
A blue shirt.
Blue shirt.
Oh,
Yeah. A red shirt.
look at those pretty pants.
Mommy, I got a red shirt. I got a red shirt.
Batman. Yay. I think the blank shirt goes with the pajamas. Kitty kitty.
Oh, I forgot something. No, I got all. What?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Mom!
He's our friend. He's Spider-Man. Awesome!
Rockstars.
Yeah, total rock stars.
A white shirt. Yeah.
That goes with your pajamas.
Oh.
Look at all yours there, Jordan. She loves it.
Jordan, can I have it?
Whoa.
Wait, Jordan, wait. Can I see?
Marianne, did you see the pajamas you got?
Merry
Look.
Christmas, everybody.
Look at them.
You have a love, like love mom. Merry
Say-
Christmas.
Say it again.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Wow. Merry Christmas to you, Logan.
Very pretty.
Is it Marianne?
Whoa. It even has dark colors that you can
Who is
put.
it?
Looks like Hannah.
Show everybody. She's gonna love this one.
What? What? Oh.
High School Musical.
Hannah Montana. Oh wait, no, it's not Hannah Montana.
High School Musical says you have to let it go. Not our kids. Alrighty. Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas, Mommy. If Santa was here and if the cookies.
And the results are in. What are the results?
He ate all the cookies.
Awesome.
He left some behind, but he ate some cookies.
Yeah, he's probably in a hurry.
Or maybe he doesn't want to do the carbs thing.
The carbs thing. All right, what else?
He ate mine too.
Awesome. Do you drink the hot chocolate? We'll check.
Is it heavy?
And then-
Gone.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, he drank that real good.
Wait, guys! There's one more present. Don't you see?
Oh.
Sorry.
That's okay.
That was bad.
Whoa, let's figure out who they are, Logan. You want to help with that?
Yeah.
I'm going to say Brayden over here because usually we go oldest to youngest.
Okay. So for no.
Over here.
I wanna help. Brayden, this is yours.
Why
Mine.
don't you grab it?
Jason.
Why don't you grab it?
I did. Wait. Oh, cool. This used to be. Hey, it's the little version of my little puppy. How do you know?
Oh, that's a big Santa.
I want to see. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Big C.
I know there's any. Wait, I'm a stuffed animal. I can't move.
How do you put mine in?
I want some.
I need stars.
What you doing, Jordan?
This?
Should I say polish?
She's painting her nails.
She got it on her cozy.
It comes off. So awesome. Look at you, big girl. Mary Ann.
Toesy
Beautiful.
woesies.
Toes. Beautiful, beautiful.
Marianne has beautiful
Sparkly.
toesy woesies.
You
Yes.
like your gift?
She has beautiful toesy woesies.
She does have beautiful toesy woesies. Kate, Mary Ann, you like your gift?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh.
Now
How did you do that?
I use the force.
That is so cool.